Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So as promised, today we're going to be taking a look at some more fall and Halloween DIY project ideas. I have a bunch of these in the works, so definitely stay tuned if you're in need of some major DIY crafting ideas that you can do this season. Here we have this really cute coffee bar. This is absolutely adorable. I love these mugs. Very cute. And it looks like for this one, they just got some canisters and added some fun stickers to them just to make the canisters look a little bit more fall themed. Nice, simple, and easy project idea. So next up we have another dollar store inspired DIY. They are using these dollar store planters for this one. I have actually seen these before and purchased them. They can be used many different ways. And it looks like they use theirs as like a nice little decorative placeholder for the bathroom towels. This is cute. They have the soap in there. Oh, they have their sponges and stuff in there too, so it's kind of like a bathroom caddy. Now this isn't really Halloween, but I think that the plaid is very fall to me. But this is one of those pieces that you can pretty much have up all year round. Same with this next one. So they're going to be making a big giant bowl with a candle. So they used the little tea candles for this, some candle waxes, and they were able to make a nice little mixture for their candles. This is such a creative idea, and I've seen like these big bowls that you can get at like Home Goods, and I bet that probably smells amazing. You can put like your own essential oils in there. So cool. So it looks like the next DIY is going to feature a candle holder. Looks like they have a little knob here. I like this brownish, like mustard terracotta shade. That's what it looks like the name would be. And it looks to me like they might be making a candle holder. Oh, it's like an apothecary jar for their cotton swabs. That's cute. Okay, so another like bathroom kind of style DIY. Oh, check out someone's home theater. Wow, this looks amazing. So it looks like they want to do a basement bar slash concession stand, and she's doing it herself. They used to have these really cute cabinets at Walmart for like $10. This is a few years ago, so I don't know how much they would be now, but that would be a great option too. Oh man, we don't get to see the final result. I hate when that happens. All right, so then we have this March DIY. So again, this is another cozy vibes kind of DIY, but you could do this one, of course, all year round. So there is the inspiration. Now her just spray painting this already gave the color to me an upgrade. Yeah, that looks nice. It doesn't look exactly like how she was like trying to create a dupe for, but I think that came out great. And then we have another candle bowl DIY here. So like I said, they have like these beautiful bowls at like Home Goods. You could also probably get them at like Target, Walmart, plenty of places you could find them, and then just buy your own wax and build out a nice little candle bowl. I don't know why, but for some reason, like, this looks like butter to me. Does anyone else see that? Like, especially the way that it's like melting, like it just reminds me of butter. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed all these cozy themed DIY project ideas. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.